what is one of the major issues that you find returning residents are having when they're returning to Jamaica?
I was trying to build a house down here. Put my mom in charge. She find this contractor for deal with the house. The guy take the money and left, bruv.
Whoa. This is AJAWI TV,
yes,
where we discuss architectural and construction related topics, right?
Yeah.
And it's really focused on helping returning residents design and build their home and do construction in Jamaica while they're overseas. So let me ask you this. What is one of the major issues that you find returning residents are having when they're returning to Jamaica?
You know, so like, and I'll give you an example. So I was trying to build a house down here. Put my mom in charge. She find this contractor for deal with the house. The guy take the money and left, bruv.
Whoa.
Like,
wow.
We had these guys go on site, they were doing work, and no one got paid. So what happened was they didn't come back.
Oh.
So I had to re-find that money there again to get someone else to finish the project. That was a little discouraging a little bit. So, you know, I think with a lot of us, you know, coming back, it's the matter of dealing with individuals that look at us and say, oh, him have money, and there's a possibility of them hurting because maybe the jealousy or whatever.
Yeah.
And so sometimes you don't know, because my mom had a friend that got a house built here, and I don't want to put you out there too much to make Jamaica look like it too bad.
Yeah.
But she came, this woman never take vacation. She does work, and finally decide to retire. And when she came, she probably only did 2 weeks. Yeah, man.
That's unfortunate.
Yeah, man.
Sorry about that.
That's one of them things. Oh, no, we understand the thing, but it's a great country, you know.
Yeah.
This island is beautiful, you know. When I tell you, you know, what I learned was there's a lot of local Jamaicans that don't even know what's all here.
Yeah. I agree with that 100%.
Yeah, man. Because when I tell you, I have seen the different areas. The amenities here, we have natural amenities here that does put this island at a level that, for me, I will always come back.
Yeah.
But, you know, coming down and decides, you know what, I'm going to retire back here, that's where I still kind of, I'm on the fence, because our youths are not educated enough to understand how them can fetch for themselves, understand how them can add value to society. So them not have to go hurt people. Them can go out there and get them one.
And earn your bread too.
You see what I say?
Yeah.
Because enough there for everybody, you know.
Yeah,
yes,
definitely.
Man. How we are, man.
And I want to tell you this, that what I've found is that sometimes when we're doing construction, we're kind of moving fast, because overseas it's kind of more fast paced.
Yeah.
And we skip some of the steps. We may skip some of the things that we should do.
Right.
So when you're returning to Jamaica, I would implore everybody, get a reputable contractor, get a team in place.
Yes.
Put a team together that you have your designer, you have your architect, you have your engineer, you have your land surveyor, you have a team of people that you put together to actually execute the project for you, to avoid some of those mishaps that you spend more than you need to.
Yeah, man, I know.
Because sometimes you start over, right? I've seen multiple occasions where people send back money for do things and them don't do it,
get done,
and them have to go spend more money. So the first time, try and find somebody that is reputable. Right? You have the architect registration board, you have the quantity surveyor board, you have company's office. Right? Find a reputable company from the company's office and strike up a conversation, see what is going on.
That information is important, because you have a lot of people that don't necessarily think about that.
Yeah.
You see me, I say them just find a one contractor.
Yeah, and him can do everything.
Yeah, because that's how they pitch you. That's how they sell you.
Yeah.
I'm a one-man. The shop stop right here.
Yeah.
I'm a one-stop shop fit all, whatever you want.
Yeah.
Put it. So.
And I want to tell you, if you find that somebody is offering you a one-stop shop solution, find out if it is that they're offering it from a collaborative standpoint, or if they are the one that's doing everything. You don't want one person to do everything.
No, that's
you understand? Collaboration is how construction works. You may know a land surveyor and him partner with you for deliver land surveying services. Or you have an engineer who partner with you to offer the engineering aspect of things, right? So try to move towards that. Rather than looking at it as you find somebody, another one little money, and you make him do everything. Right? And trust me, you will find that it's better. I cannot stress it enough. Make sure, please, when you're doing construction, make sure you get your bill of quantities.
Bill of quantities?
Bill of quantities.
Okay.
Right? Make sure you get your drawings done. And approved. And then you move into construction.
Okay.
Right? And even when you get those two things, you still have to do your tender. And here's one of the things that most people don't know. You see, when you're doing a tender, right? One of the criteria of the tender is that you, as the contractor who is bidding to get that project, you have to submit information on where you live, proof of address. Right? You have to submit references. How many projects have you done? Where you did them, and can these people recommend you? So you're gonna have to. The person who is conducting the tender is going to call those people to say, this person did a project with you. Would you recommend them to do another project?
I like that.
Right?
I like that.
When it comes down to proof of address, you have to provide a letter to say, this where you live. Right? And somebody have to write a letter to say, this where you live. Right? So when exactly, there's a lot of things that are involved in the process, but because people don't know, they get the as we say in a Jamaica, them get the body in the stick. That's not the word we use still. So
no, I like the information. This is something we needed for know, brother.
We're just here to try and help. We want to make Jamaica a place where you can live, you can do business, you can raise your family, and you can full joy and own it. Own it.
I like that.
Right?
Yeah, man.
Pass it down to the next generation.
See it there, brother. Appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
Yes, man.
For those that are overseas and they say, boy, they're not coming back, I'm not beating them. Right? I'm saying, if you decide to come back, the opportunities are here. And look at it as an investment. Right?
And so I moved to Canada 10 years ago. And by 2017, so that's 2014. So by 2017, that's 3 years in, I was like, I'm not doing this winter thing. It's not for me. The kind of life I want to live is go there when it's warm and come here so when it's cold.
We've all heard of the horror stories, okay? The horror stories of, building whilst you're abroad and sending money to the island, and you're coming back to the island and there's no home or half a home, okay? Now, there are companies out there that can assist you with your build.
Building your dream home should be an exciting and fulfilling experience. But we understand the stress and challenges that often accompany construction projects. At AJAWI Limited, we believe that designing and building your home should be stress-free. Our goal is to eliminate that stress by delivering your projects within budget while exceeding your expectations. What sets us apart is our comprehensive one-stop shop solution. From design to construction, we handle every aspect of your residential project, ensuring a seamless and hassle-free experience. Throughout the entire process, we maintain complete transparency. You'll receive real-time updates, allowing you to stay informed and involved every step of the way. With advanced technologies like 360-degree video site inspection, drone survey, and building information modeling, we bridge the distance. Even if you're miles away, we make it as if you're right here in Jamaica. Don't let distance or stress hinder your dream of a perfect home. Contact AJAWI Limited today at 876-312-6036 and take the first step towards making your dream home a reality. AJAWI Limited, your trusted partner in building dreams.